Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change date and time in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to Settings. Then go to General Management. Go to General Management here. Then go to Date and Time. And here, turn off automatic date and time so that date and time can be set manually. Click on set date and here change date. Here I would like to change date to March 11 2024. Okay, click on done. In the similar way, click on set time and change time here. Okay, here I would like to change time to 4:27 p.m. Okay, and click on done. Yes, now date and time have been changed. Go to home screen and see the changes. Date and time have been changed. Okay, if you would like to set time in 24-hour format, you can do it. Here 12-hour format is followed. Okay, so 4:27 p.m. is displaying here. Okay, if you would like to use 24-hour format, go to settings again and then go to general management. Go to general management and go to date and time, and here just turn on this option, use 24-hour format, so that 24-hour format will be followed. That is now time will be shown like 16:20 so 27. Okay, that means this is 24-hour format. Okay, suppose this is manual date and time settings. Okay, if you would like to suppose set date and time automatically, then you go to turn on automatic date and time. Okay, go to settings, then go to date and time. Go to general management, then date and time, then turn on automatic date and time, so that date and time will be adjusted automatically by your phone. Okay, now see the update. Date and time have been set automatically. So in this way, you can easily change date and time as per your wish in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.